mother's 87, and some of the conditions that are affecting her is her arthritis. It's pretty severe. She's always in pain. She's used to being really independent. She was an RN nurse at Virginia Mason for many years, and also on the side she was also a nurse for a nursing home. So it's from being a volunteer helper, now she's the, recipient.
He is a very good son of mine.
I'm her only child. Sound Generations, they provided great information or support. Oh gosh, that shuttle program is great because she lost transportation, coordinate with Hyde Shuttle, my mother's schedule. And from that point on, we relied on the shuttle.